Zakir Naik is not answering. I need to call again. Ta-da-dan, ta-da-dan. Ta-da-dan, ta-da-dan. Ta-ka-da-kan, ta-ka-da-kan. Oh, sorry, I was calling by mistake Abbas, not Zakir. You see, because both are scholars, and I was confused which one of them is the one to call. I mean, obviously, sorry, Abbas, I called you by mistake. I know that it's not a good time for you now. All right, let us call Brother Zakir Naik. We will call him and see what he will say. You know, obviously, Zakir Naik. Let me get his phone number because I lost it. Especially the private one who gave it to me. He said don't share it with anyone except in YouTube and Facebook and Twitter. He's not answering. Christian Prince, I didn't call me. You are making me sick. Just hold on, Zakir Naik. How you know it's me and that Abbas is calling you? First of all, Abbas is busy doing breastfeeding for adult. And he's taking the ticket because long line of men in the front of his house. Ah, Abbas is doing breastfeeding for adult now? Ah, okay, he's busy. How you know? Because I'm standing there. I'm waiting in front of his house. Zakir, hold on. You are standing right now as we speak in the front of the house of Abbas to do breastfeeding for adult? Exactly. Okay, Zakir, are you really hungry? Isn't it fasting time? First of all, in England right now we can break the fast because already it's 7 o'clock. Ah, okay, but I think the sun is not set yet. Why you are too early? Because simply I have to wait online and wait for my turn. A lot of men are here. Okay, Zakir Naik. So, Zakir, do you have a special scholar you think he is the best to explain the Quran for us? I'm going to give you a name. And actually, I love this scholar. His name is Ultimate Fort. And the other one, his name is Abbas ibn Farnat. He's very well known. He lives in England. Okay. But what is his qualification? First of all, in Islam you don't need the qualification. And you don't even know to read Arabic. All what you need is to grow a beard and to say stupid things. Okay, so you grow a beard, you say stupid things, and did you forget anything? I forget something yet. And you spit. You spit when you talk. And you need to open your umbrella. Okay, Zakir. Well, to be honest with you, I hope you did not give me corona, man. Your reign is all over. You know? Exactly. And actually, Allah, He told me to do that because this is the blessing from Allah. Thank you for the watering of our green yard, Zakir Naik. Take care. Christian Prince, don't hang up. Why not? Don't hang up. Because I want to show you live breastfeeding for adult. From the front of the house of the Brother Abbas. You want to show me live on air, right now, on air, breastfeeding for adult? I cannot do that. This is overrated. I cannot do it. There's kids here. All my like listeners, they are in the age of between 60 and 70. They are not adult. Christian Prince, in Islam, if you are 6 years and older, you are it's okay and you are mature. Aisha, peace upon her, she was mature at the age of 6. Okay, Aisha, she was mature at the age of 6. And how you know she was mature? Because very simple. Aisha, she was very beautiful. And she was very hot. And even the Prophet, he said, Al-Humayra. But Al-Humayra can be a donkey. Christian Prince, you are a liar. The word Humayra means blondie. Aisha, she was a blondie. How she is an Arabian in the Arabian desert, but yet she is a blondie? Do you think she is a daughter of somebody like, you know? Christian Prince, you have a very dirty mind. Hey, hold on. Isn't it in the Sahih Hadith it says that a guy who is white, his wife is white, both family are white, and then their son was black. And then the Prophet, he explained it that he inherited that. This is true. And actually, this is proven to be accurately in the science. Oh, so you are Pakistani, and your wife is Pakistani, and then your wife, she give you a son, he have blue eyes, and that is proven to be true. Exactly. Okay, no comment. Thank you, Zakir Naik, for receiving our call, and take care.